Hi everyone, my name is Shalom Rose Tesu. I'm a sixth grader studying in Mount Carmel Central School, Bangalore. And today I'm going to talk to you about asteroids and asteroid belts. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky worlds revolving around the sun that are too small to be called planets. They are also known as planetoids or minor planets. There are millions of asteroids ranging in size from hundreds of miles to several feet across. In total, the mass of all the asteroids is less than that of the Earth's moon. Their orbits lie between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. There are about 40,000 such asteroids. The largest is Ceres. The asteroids are believed to be fragments of a former planet which exploded after its formation. Here is the asteroid belt, and here is the Kuiper belt. Origin of asteroids. Early in the life of the solar system, dust and rocks circling the sun were pulled together by gravity into planets. But not all of the ingredients created new planets. A region between Jupiter and Mars became the asteroid belt. According to NASA, the total mass of the belt is less than the moon, far too small to weigh in as a planet. Instead, the debris is shepherded by Jupiter, which kept it from coalescing, coalescing into other growing planets. According to a developing theory known as Grand Tag, in the first 5 million years of the solar system, Jupiter and Saturn are thought to have moved inward toward the Sun before changing direction and heading back to the outer solar system. Along the way, they would have scattered the original asteroid belt before them, then sent material flying back to refill it. Our solar system isn't the only one to boast an asteroid belt. A cloud of dust around a star known as Zeta Leporis looks a lot like a young asteroid belt. Other stars also contain signs of asteroid belts, suggesting that it may be common. The four largest asteroids in the solar system are Ceres with a diameter of 939 km, Vesta with a diameter of 525 km, Pallas with a diameter of 512 km, and Hygeia with a diameter of 434 kilometers. Composition of asteroids. Asteroids are made mostly of rock, with some composed of clay and silicate, and different metals, mostly nickel and iron, but other materials have been found in asteroids as well. The asteroids are made up of a mix of these, along with carbon rich materials. Most of the asteroids in the main belt are made of rock and stone, but a small portion of them contain the metal iron, and nickel. Some of the more distant asteroids contain more ices. Although they aren't large enough to maintain an atmosphere, but there is evidence that some asteroids contain water. Some asteroids are large, solid bodies. There are more than 16 in the belt with a diameter greater than 150 miles. The largest asteroid, Vesta, Pallas, and Hygeia, are 250 miles long and bigger. The region also contains the largest asteroid Ceres, which is also considered a dwarf planet. At 950 miles in diameter, Ceres is round, yet is considered too small to be a fully fledged planet. However, it makes up approximately a third of the mass of the asteroid belt. Types of asteroids. Asteroids are classified into several types based on their chemical composition and their reflectivity or albedo. Cetan asteroids make up more than 75% of known asteroids. The C stands for carbon, and the surface of these extremely dark asteroids are almost coal black. Carbonaceous chondrite meteorites on Earth have a similar composition and are thought to be pieces smashed off the larger asteroids. While C-type asteroids dominate in the belt according to the European Space Agency, they make up only about 40% of the asteroids closer to the Sun. These include subgroups of B-type, F-type, and G-types. S-type asteroids are the second most common type, making up about 17% of known asteroids. They dominate the inner asteroid belt, becoming rarer farther out. They are brighter and have metallic nickel iron mixed with iron and magnesium silicates. The S stands for silicaceous. M-type asteroids are the last major type. These asteroids are fairly bright and most of them are composed of pure nickel iron. They tend to be found in the middle region of the asteroid belt. The remaining rare types of asteroids are A-type, D-type, E-type, P-type, Q-type, and R-type. While most of the asteroid belt is made up of rocky objects, Ceres is an icy body. Hints of organic material spotted by dawn suggest that it may have formed farther out in the solar system before landing. Here again is the solar system. Here is the asteroid belt, and here is the Kuiper belt. Now let's move on to some more information about the Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt. Similar to the asteroid belt, the Kuiper belt is a region of leftovers from the solar system's early history. Like asteroid belt, it also has been shaped by a giant planet, although it's more of a thick disk than a thin belt. Both the Oort cloud and the Kuiper belt are thought to be sources of comets. Both Arrokoth and Pluto are in the Kuiper belt, a donut-shaped region of icy bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. There may be millions of these icy objects, collectively referred to as Kuiper belt objects (KBOs) or trans-Neptunian objects (TNOs), in this distant region of our solar system. Short-period comets originate in the Kuiper belt. There may be hundreds of thousands of icy bodies larger than 100 kilometers and an estimated trillion or more comets within the Kuiper belt. Thank you. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I will tell you more about information about meteoroids.